Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Jollibee dahil sa mga thesaurus na dictionary na binigay po. Malaking tulong po ang dictionary at thesaurus na ibinigay niyo po sa amin. Dahil po doon ay natututo na po kami magsalita ng Ingles at mabuti.
Bilang Pangulo po, nagpapasalamat po kami sa dictionary na naitulong po sa amin.
Okay, so in behalf ng aking grade 5 section 3, we would like to thank you because nowadays, being fluent in English language is an important matter. Giving us this wonderful support for us to make this goal possible is a big gift for us, for the children, of course. We will never forget these good deeds you've done for us. We will treasure the dictionary and the thesaurus you gave us. It will really help broaden their vocabulary. From all of us, grade 5 section 3 of Marit Elementary School, a warm and heartfelt thanks to you, Good Samaritans, Jollibee Grand Mall. Okay, so palakpakan tayo.